Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of YouTube Pro. So as you already saw from the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be unboxing the Gopro Hero 11 today. And we got this from Costco during the holidays, which was a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago I think. So if you want to buy this, by the time I'm posting this video, the deal has probably already gone. But you can still buy it, I think for $300 something, and this is a great camera and I would recommend it. But why would I recommend it? Now let's talk about the facts and the features that this amazing GoPro Hero 11 has. Okay guys, so I have the GoPro box right here and let's just start unboxing it. So this is just a cover of the box right here. It says GoPro on the front, and let's unbox it. And inside is another box, the real box of the GoPro. So a GoPro Hero 11 Black. We got Hero 11, and just around the box there's just some more features. Shows what's inside the box. Looks like we have a tripod, a SanDisk, which is 256 gigabytes. Yep, 256. And then we have 2 batteries and some other add-ons to the GoPro. Yep. So let's just get started unboxing it. Okay. And then we have the case right here. The GoPro case, very nice for GoPro here, and very hard and good material. And if you open it, yay! We have the GoPro here, the real GoPro. So this is the actual GoPro, the actual camera, GoPro Hero 11 Black. And we have the charging cable here. And then we have this and these 3. I think this allows you to put the GoPro on a bike. So as you might have seen on YouTube, there's some biking videos, a POV, point of view of the biker. This is probably what they use to make those, because you can mount the GoPro on your bike helmet with this. And then next we have these 2 batteries. One of them is called the Enduro battery, I think, because it has like a longer life. It just has a few, like half an hour or an hour more of battery life, I think. And then under this, I think, is supposed to be the tripod. Yep, right here. And it says GoPro. And let's just start unboxing and peeling off all this GoPro stickers. So peel off the first one. Wow. And then the second one, which is the actual camera. That's nice. And the screen. Now here's the tripod. I'll probably use this a lot. Here, I can just slide this off easily. Extend like this, and I can just mount it up like this and place it right here. This is very nice. And if I'm just recording somewhere, I just have a vlog or something, I can just hold it like this. So this will be very useful for me because I'll be creating a lot of videos. Yeah, and that's it for the unboxing. And there are lots of GoPro modes like star trails, light painting. You can paint around an object with light, and vehicle lights where it records the lights of vehicles. So first let's talk about the GoPro stand. I can't show it to you right now, but you probably saw in the unboxing part because I actually am using it right now. So sorry about that, but this stand is pretty nice. It's also really sturdy and I really like it, but I've seen a lot of other cameras using magnetic mounting. So GoPro Hero 11 only came out like about a year ago, so I'm pretty disappointed that it does not have magnetic mounting and it still has to use the screw. So that's kind of a time waste, and I have to spend like at least 1 minute on screwing that and unscrewing that every time I need to use this. So now let's talk about the batteries. I have one battery right here. It says GoPro on it. And then There's one battery that I'm using right now, obviously, on the GoPro. So these are good batteries. They do last some long. I can do most of my videos only on like 1/4 of the charge. So pretty good. But one major con is that there's two batteries, the Enduro battery and the regular battery, but you just can't tell which one is which, because I actually don't know if I'm using the Enduro battery right now or the regular battery, because there is no indication if this is the Enduro battery or if the one that I'm using is the Enduro battery. So that's a major con. And the camera itself is also pretty good. It is pretty good footage. It has 4K, so it is a pretty good camera. And if you're seeing this video right now, I'm actually recording it with the actual GoPro. So this is the quality that I'm using. And it does have a lot of camera lengths, and it has 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, all the way up to 240 for slow motion. So it does have pretty good features and some good hardware and software. And we are actually using this case with it, this GoPro case. It has the camera lens, and then yeah, it's pretty good. And one thing I really like is this bike mount right here. I really like this because if I'm going to skiing or biking, then I can just take this out, screw my GoPro over here with this screw. I can just put it in and screw it in, and then I can just actually connect. I can actually connect this with my GoPro like this, and I can actually just like screw it on to my GoPro and mount it on my bike helmet. So that will be really fun and nice. So guys, this was the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. So I really like this camera. I have been using it for a few weeks, and I would definitely recommend it if you're going to do vlogging or just record videos like me. And this is it for today, and I'll see you in the video next week. Bye for now.